Pay close attention to Brad Garlinghouse's key remark on XRP in this video because you'll be on the edge of your seat. This one, the XRP rocket, is it, I promise. People, the rocket is on its way. We'll discuss it. Casper, you should not be concerned. Update, you're having trouble using Bitcoin. That's what we're looking at, people, dominance. I have a small amount of a life pack right now. You're going to want to hear it for yourself. Without further ado, let me tell you what must be done. Let's do it. Bitcoin 48.3 Ethereum is currently trading at 2,492, down 71% over the last 24 hours. USDT and USDC are both trading at their dollar pegs as XRP of mean lean 51 cents. This is a mean lean machine, people. It has decreased by 3.18%. Not in the desired location. The entire market value of cryptocurrencies in this country is C1 trillion, or 866 billion. Keep in mind this crucial figure. Are we going to reach our goal of over $2 trillion? If so, when do you're in full-on bull mode there? Bitcoin, we must maintain this $48,000 range. Should we fall below, there is still a chance that the market will experience one more severe correction. Time will tell, as it always does, but I firmly believe that the next move will be up to $50,000 to $52,000. I will discuss that in more detail in a moment. Immediately, I'm going to share with you all a little life hack, so please proceed. Visit luxlines.nf.com now. I want you to go to Luxlines NFTs and cook at the shop. Please come over here. I want to talk to you. Your 80s mob tier is going to be purchased. Not even a legendary one of these NFTs is $165, around 320 XRP, or roughly 317 XRP, in my estimation. Apply for a credit card. Choose one of the two for $6, then kick back and unwind because you will receive extra money deposited into your wallet on the first of every month. How do you consider this? You can create a small side bag. That's what we refer to as a life hack. Departing from this small gathering bag. In addition, perhaps for your children, dad, you know someone in your family that you adore. Perhaps a friend will say something like, hey, look what I made during this bull market, XRP just popped up to $5. Look, I got Lux L NFTs. Consider the fact that you do not own these NFTs. I have no idea what you're doing. I'm not sure. You're not paying attention to what you're doing. You must make a payment for my pinned tweets. I made a live update to this on the feed. The next move for Bitcoin yesterday was bullish. We're hoping to go 4 for 4 without calls, and we're heading from the $50,000 to $52,000 range. Yes, it is on its way. Along the way, there may be a small chop, but we're going to arrive and observe this by examining the XRP chart in 2024. Do you see what I did there? Excellent, isn't that right? I am aware that I don't have to tell you. This chart is from XRP Crypto. For those of you who are new to cryptocurrency or haven't been around throughout a bull cycle or bull run, allow me to go over the Bitcoin dominance update in detail. This is what's going to happen quickly for you. The dominance of Bitcoin will end. When we realize that the formal Bitcoin bull run is approaching, it will drive money out of every other cryptocurrency that is present in the markets and through the roof. Once that occurs, the dominance completely collapses and Bitcoin reaches its peak. I'm assuming its ceiling is probably around 150, breaking through all previous highs. This is tar from EG, but we will see the dominance of Bitcoin start to wane and the money starts to go toward the other coins. This is the object of our attention. We still need to make our way up to this grassy space, which is the 60% range, typically where Bitcoin hits 60 to 65, possibly even approaching 70, because once that happens, the money will rotate into it. What is visible? We begin to follow, then. When we reach this resistance level and this line starts to decline, Bitcoin will significantly lose its supremacy. The cycle will proceed in this manner. People who want to tell you that the two sides of Bitcoin are different and don't follow the same rules should stop and look at the historical data I'm sharing with you right now. Every Bitcoin transaction since 2012 has gone exactly as planned. I want you to ignore what other people have to say. I want you to go ahead and open the Bitcoin chart from 2012 to 2024. Then, I want you to look at the precise days and years that the halvings have occurred. After looking at the charts, I want you to tell me what similarities you see because they all involve the same people. No, this cycle is prolonged. No, if you're claiming that this is a protracted cycle, then the cycle has been lengthened since 2012. That is not how it operates. For 4 years, this movement has continued. There are Bitcoin booms, markets, and irrational excitement. We're going for 3.5, crypto down. Will that alter in the future? Depending on the amount of institutional capital that enters the market, you have that yes, it will undoubtedly be Bitcoin in May. Encounter strong opposition about $48,500. See if they threw a chart there. They didn't realize what they were saying when they said that the short-term price of Bitcoin is roughly $48,500. This might be resistance, and we need to overcome it. Thus, it is evident that the $50,000 to $552,000 range. What do we anticipate taking place today? I'm watching to see if any of these, exchange-traded fund businesses are purchasing. Check out Bitcoin if you're interested in the cryptocurrency space. Owning Mato is C. Ripple Pete DeMayo, the chief product officer, has left as CEO. Taking those, he left the cooperative Crystal Company. The question last year was, where is he going? What is his reason for leaving? That's the question I have. And it seems as though will Jack McDonald. I recall Jack from P having some fascinating ideas there. You never know, though, Casper Network provides this. I mean, it's kind of large. Even if I own a lot of Casper, I still need to adjust my allocation. For whatever reason, I continue to purchase Casper. Even though it's unhealthy and I shouldn't be doing so. I will make an effort to recall that I have a phone call at 10 o'clock. She'll arrive at work at 9. I'll give it my best shot. I will attempt to alter my allotment as soon as I get to work. I'm not sure what to buy, if I should get Quant or Flare. What I'm going to buy is either Quant or Flare. I'll work it out. To create a Casper incentive system for the Meta platforms, I'm requesting that the entire Casper community pay attention to Casper Labs CTO. What you want to witness are actual blockchain users in the real world. Pay attention. Yes, we are now validated as an ISV. For instance, we did develop the Casper Rewards app during the beta testing phase. This is an app that lets you design marketing campaigns and incentive schemes for your Instagram followers. It also lets you target individuals that traditional brick-and-mortar businesses are unable to reach. Companies without a raw point sales system might potentially provide tickets, incentives, coupons, and discounts for engagements on Instagram. Oh. This application has been developed, and we are now preparing it for you. Understand that we are completing the tests. We've built that, though it hasn't launched yet. If there are community members who have verified Instagram accounts and are interested in using Casper Rewards, and this use case fits their needs, then we hope to enter a formal beta program and get approved through Meta through Facebook. I'm very interested in what's coming to Casp. I do enjoy what's going to happen to Casper in this bull cycle. That's what you like to see, people. Well done, Eager Crypto, on the XRP rocket. You claim that since I firmly believed in the chart below, I won't say much. Examine this object. This was the 2017 B, and we were doing well until 2021, at which point the SEC fired us. And with this initial marker, we encountered resistance. People pay attention to this. It's only $2 up here, but we're holding this trend line well. We need to see an acceleration and move past. I am now revealing to you the resistance to XRP. You will need to. There will be 3 of those. Okay, so let's pretend that $2 mark, or roughly $192.98, is within that. It all depends somehow. Which chart are you looking at, exactly? When something penetrates your first region of interest, we'll refer to it as that. The $3 mark will be the focus of attention. After that, those need to be smashed. I'm not referring to this tiny candle. Reach up, our body must be whole. We need a complete explosion, as in the case of $3, so that we can quickly reach $4. We need to break through the price. There is no time to play about or linger. Let's get XRP to $4 as soon as possible by sending XRP while discovery is on. Might we send it up right then and there? Let's discuss the cost. Finding out where we might disappear, because it won't be good for us if we start hovering near the all-time high, can't get beyond the people, and only manage to touch above it.